This is Patricia with 88 Health and Wellness. I had the opportunity to make a HelloFresh meal. This one is street cart style turkey bowls. So we have all the ingredients that we need in the bag. And so let's check it out. In this bag we have scallions, turmeric, sour cream, mayonnaise, rice, pita bread. We have sliced almonds, chicken stock, hot sauce, garlic powder, tomato, lemon, and something that they call shawarma spice blend. The ground turkey came in a separate package, but it was right along with this bag. So let's get started. What you need of your own, of course, are the pots that you cook in, kosher salt, black pepper, cooking oil, and butter. So we want to start first with making the rice. We're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter and the package of turmeric. So depending upon what size family or meal sizes you order, it depends on how much of your own supplies you need, of course. So we're going to stir the rice and water into this pot and get it cooking. Once it boils, you cover it for 15 to 18 minutes. While that is cooking, we are going to go ahead and cut up our lemon. We're going to trim the scallions and we are going to dice the tomatoes. Now, I don't like scallions, so I actually did not use the scallions at all. So cutting up the tomatoes and the lemons, I did not get a very good camera angle, but everybody knows how to go ahead and dice up tomatoes and quarter a lemon. I am checking on my rice pot over there, occasionally stirring it until it comes to a boil so I can reduce it to low and let it simmer. In this next step, we're going to make the white sauce. So in a small bowl, you're going to combine sour cream, mayonnaise, garlic powder, and the juice of the lemons that you diced up. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of water at a time until you reach the consistency of a drizzle. Season it with salt and pepper. Next, we are going to get our pan nice and hot. We're going to drizzle some oil on that pan and heat it up. If you do use the scallions, you can go ahead and add them. Cooking them for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you add your turkey. This is ground turkey. Once you get the turkey all spread out, you want to add your shawarma spice blend and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Cook until the turkey is all browned. Once your turkey is all brown, you want to stir in the stock concentrate and a 1/4 cup of water. Then you want to reduce that heat down and simmer until the sauce thickens. Once everything is all cooked and the rice is done, you want to add in your almond slivers, give it a good stir, and then you are ready to plate. These HelloFresh kits come with step-by-step instructions with pictures. It's very detailed. You should read through all of the instructions, though, before you start. That way you know what you're doing and what steps you need to take. This dinner was absolutely delicious. I could not personally eat the white sauce because of the sour cream. But aside from that, I added my hot sauce and yum, absolutely delicious. Hit that like button and subscribe and stay tuned.